Phil Jackson is an incredibly wise man, particularly when it comes to the game of basketball and what it takes to win.
I'm too old to play and too lame to coach.
What the fuck was that?
Phil, are you going to coach me?
He's not a front office executive. I'm not saying he can't do it, but this is somebody who's never done this job before.
Phil Jackson has reportedly interviewed with the New York Knicks.
Phil Jackson, officially introduced as the Knicks president, complete power to do whatever he needs to do to fix the team.
A lot of work.
Phil Jackson, he is bringing 11 rings as an NBA coach.
When it comes to Phil, you literally need to step back and take notes.
The first major decisions by Phil Jackson.
Fired head coach Mike Woodson today.
Fired Knicks head coach Mike Woodson.
What the fuck was that?
Teams don't play well. If you don't respect the word of your coach, if you don't respect him, you turn it off.
In their right mind is going to keep Mike Woodson.
Who do they bring in as coach?
Phil Jackson, a team that he has to turn around.
Jackson is quoted as saying, I have a tremendous amount of respect for Mike Woodson and his entire staff.
Who do they bring in as coach?
It's gotten a lot more complicated like that.
Who will coach the New York Knicks for the 2014-2015 season?
The amount of work that goes into this.
Should have happened a long time ago.
Again, I feel bad that Mike's have a job this morning, but at the same time, this move needed to be made. The Knicks were a legitimate mess. Phil Jackson.
He can talk about how he's not going to coach. He can absolutely positively mean it.
Here, it's great. It's exciting. Hope has arrived.
I'm looking at you and I'm saying you're the president of basketball operations. He delivered rings for them. How come you can't deliver a ring for me? Phil, are you going to coach me?